would like to guide you through this breathing pattern that's very soothing and relaxing. So we're going to do it together for approximately 30 seconds to a minute, but after you get the hang of it, then please continue to practice from 1 minute up to 5 minutes. So first of all, I would like you to visualize having a straw in your fingertips, like a straw that you would drink something out of. So that's the shape that your lips are going to take, as if you had a straw in them. Okay? So maybe have your eyes open while you watch me for this first round. So you're going to take a deep breath in through your nose, and then imagine your mouth is taking that shape, and exhale through your lips. And now if you'd like to join me, take a deep breath in through your nose. Long, slow exhale through the lips. As you exhale, relax the shoulders and face. Inhale through the nose. Long, slow exhale. And again, inhale. Keep softening your body on the exhale. Just relaxing, opening, softening. Inhale through the nose. We'll do 2 more together. And last time, inhale through the nose. And let's just be together for a few more seconds with the eyes closed. Just encouraging that feeling of peace and well-being. Just allow your thoughts to clear, just allowing the awareness of sensation to come to your attention, and just softening and relaxing in each moment. And then gently blink your eyes open. Thanks for following along.